Morning guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new episode. And in today's episode, we're getting the Mercedes E-Class into the paint shop. It's pretty early right now, so I got to head out. I'm gonna head down to Mercedes in Stratford. I'm gonna collect a few last minute bits, and then I'm gonna head down to H&A AUTOS, get the car in there. So let's go. So the postcode for this is Mercedes in Loughton.
Yeah, IG10,
So
3 S for sugar, D for Delta.
So that's Mercedes in Loughton. I've got to go to Mercedes in Loughton.
Yeah, they've got them in stock.
Okay, no problems, mate. Thank you very much. So guys, it's very frustrating, but I gave Mercedes in Stratford, they're my local Mercedes. I gave them a call yesterday, and I put a part that I need. It's just a tiny bumper guide for the front bumper, because we're gonna assemble the front end completely today. And I gave them a call yesterday. I reserved a part, and they told me, yep, I've got it in stock, got the last one here, drive inside. I just had a feeling, just double check. I'm on my way to them now, and they've told me that the one that they've got is the left side, and there was a mistake that was made yesterday. So luckily, it's a little bit further out, but I've now got to drive to Mercedes in Loughton. It's IG10 area. At the moment, I'm in the E15 area, so it's not too far, but it's still it's a little bit of a pain. But like I always say, guys, we move on. So join me for the ride. Check this out, guys. Ooh. That's what I need. Let's see what we can get.
One of the parts are missing.
Oh.
I've got them.
Oh, I was about to. One of the parts. Then you said one of the parts were missing.
I can double check on the car for you, but if that's the part that he's giving you, then I would assume that is
Right, guys, managed to get everything that I need. Have a look at all of these goodies. Goodies. Look at this GLE, G-Wagon. And there's my baby. Fits right in. And that's gonna clip into the bumper at some point. So once I get the bumper off, I'll get that clipped in properly. So grab my keys, let's roll. That was a fun trip at Mercedes. There you go, it's carbureting. So minus 21 is saying. Before it was saying minus 40, but I think it's because it was really cold where the storage department was. So hopefully as we warm up, it should get better. All right guys, off to H&A AUTOS and see if we can get this front end done. Guys, I've come down to Homerton Tyres to get my car tracked, but look what I've seen. I want you to guess, these cars are so timeless, I want you to guess what year you think this G63 is. Check it out. Guys, how nice was that G63? So back to this. Plan for today is install my grille. I need to install some of the parts that I just got from Mercedes. Get this light out, dry it out. This is the old bumper with the damage, get rid of that. And then we're gonna start to line up the front. Let's get into it. Have a look at that, guys. I've gone ahead and I've transferred everything from the old bumper onto the new bumper, including my brand new diamond grille. Woo! What do you guys think of that? I really, really like the look of that, guys. When I bought this used bumper off eBay, it was a complete, just the bumper skin. I had to gut out everything from that old bumper. This is the bumper skin, and that's the inside of the bumper. This is the bumper guides, and it helps everything. All my sensors I've put back in, all my parking sensors, distance sensors, everything has been removed and placed back onto this new bumper, and that's ready to go into the car. But before we do that, we've got to pull the front in and make sure that everything lines up. Let's crack on. So guys, I'm here at H&A AUTOS. I've got the boss of H&A AUTOS, Mustafa here. Mustafa, how long have you been doing this job?
40 years.
40 years experience, guys. This is why he's done all of my cars. How long have you known me? Since I was like 17?
Yeah, 16, 17.
I was 17 when I first met this guy. I'm 32 now. So he's been doing all of my cars since I was 17 years old, guys. And he's got 40 years in the game. And that's why I brought this Mercedes to him. I thought that everything was okay. I put everything up, but I just thought that the bonnet was a little bit rough when I was closing it. Mustafa, what have you found?
I find out front panel is moved on the left side, and now I have to pull on the right side to everything get level.
What we found out just now, that's why we measured it. Mustafa, why did you measure it across both ways? What does that do?
Yeah, I find out front panel is straight and no.
So
I find out.
We had the measuring point on here, and you measured it down there, didn't you?
Yeah.
We had a measuring point on that side, and we measured it at the same point, and it's off by about quarter of an inch.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna pull it on the machine
to get lined up,
to make sure that everything's
close
level.
bonnet proper and bumper fitting nice.
Yeah.
And everything done.
Perfect. So guys, let's crack on with that. guys, we've spent almost all day doing the lining up, pulling it on the frame machine. Let's see what we've got. So everything had gone over that way. The bonnet wasn't closing smooth. Now listen to that. Look at that. It's like butter, guys. Still got a little bit of work to do with adjusting, but we can get around to that later. I'm happy now. Everything on the front end is fully aligned. So guys, I've transferred everything from my old bumper to my new bumper. I've installed my new diamond grille. I've installed the wheel arch liner, so the mud guard protector, got that installed. We've aligned the front end. We've straightened up the front panel. We've done so much this morning. Just want to crack on, get everything back together, then we can get this car out of here. It's getting a bit late on me. I'm going to put the headlights back in, assemble the front end, and then I'm going to drive home. I'm going to come back on Monday and leave it, and hopefully when I pick it up, it should be painted. But we spent today doing all the alignment. Guys, I hope you can appreciate behind the scenes, it takes a very long time to push and pull and adjust. Once a car's been crashed, it takes a very long time to get it back to tip-top condition. And I think that's what we've done today. So let's reassemble the front end and then crack on. Guys, it's taken absolutely all day, but have a look at these body lines. H&A Autos, they do it again. Look at the body lines. Mustafa, he is a perfectionist, and he kept going back and forth, until everything was perfect. Tell me what you think down below. I think that is perfect. Mustafa?
Yeah, man.
Well done.
Is it good, brother? Check line, everything?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Mustafa, why did you take so long? Why are you such a perfectionist?
I can close my eyes and I do this job.
Guys, this is why I bring all my cars to H&A Autos. Best in the game. Guys, it's been a long old day. Massive shout out to Mustafa from H&A Autos. He stayed late. He's done an absolute amazing job on getting this whole car aligned. I've installed this brand new front diamond grille. Tell me what you guys think. And I hope you've enjoyed this episode. I'm trying to show you guys the amount of work it takes to get these cars back on the road. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you like the video today, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It lets YouTube know that you like my content. If you're ever in the East London area, check out H&A Autos. He knows everything about the game, 40 years experience, and just by looking at it, he will tell you exactly what's wrong, and he knows what to do. So before we go, I hope you enjoy this little montage of all the work that we've done and what we've ended up with. Guys, that's it for the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you like it, make sure you smash that subscribe button if you're watching this and you're not subscribed already. It's a nice, free and easy way to support the channel. And if you want to support the channel even more, head on over to Shop Salvage Nation, buy some merch. We've got the hats, got the hoodies, got the t-shirts. And guys, If you want to see the next video and the next episode, we're going to be doing all the painting of this car after all the nice alignment and really, really bring this car to life. So this is the kind of content that you like, guys. Make sure you check in and make sure you tune in for that next video. As I always say, keep it moving and I'll catch you in the next one.